How to design a thumbnail for your YouTube videos. Hi besties, in this video I'm going to be showing you a few simple steps on how to design your thumbnail. In case you don't know, a thumbnail is that picture that people are going to see immediately your video pops up. So it kind of gives like a summary of what people should expect before even watching your video. Now, the first thing you need to know before designing your thumbnail is you need to take a picture. Like for every thumbnail you design, for every video you're going to, upload, you need to take a fresh picture, a new picture that is related to the video that you're about to upload. What do I mean by that? Let's say you want to, upload a video that has to do with cooking. You need to take a picture that is related to cooking. You need to take a picture that when people see, they just know that, okay, this video is going to talk about cooking. You can take a picture of you holding a pot, a spoon, or even wearing an apron, just so that when people see it, they just know like, okay, this video is going to be about cooking. So that's that.
So for this tutorial, we're going to be using the Canva app. I use the Canva app because I find it very simple and straightforward. So when you open the app, it brings you straight to the home page where you can see different templates of different things that you want to do. But for the purpose of this video, we're just going to focus on YouTube thumbnail. So you can see at the top left of this video, you can see where it says YouTube thumbnail. Just click on it and it's going to, bring up so many templates that you can choose from for the design. So there you have the templates, different designs. You just keep scrolling until you find, the one you want to use. Otherwise, if you feel like you're not getting what you need, you can go to the search bar and type in anything you want, any kind of design that you're looking for. Maybe YouTube thumbnail for food vlog, YouTube thumbnail for makeup, YouTube thumbnail for anything you want. Just type it in the search bar and then it's going to bring, different templates that you can choose from. So on the search bar, you can just type anything. It can be food, it can be beauty, it can be makeup, it can be hairstyling, anything. And when you do that, it's going to bring up different designs for you to choose from. So there you have different designs for food. I'm using the pro version. You can still use the free version and get a very good design for your thumbnail. So just keep scrolling and scrolling until you find something really suitable for the video you want to upload. So this is me just trying to see which one would be okay for this video. Like I mentioned earlier on, before creating a thumbnail, make sure you've taken a picture that is related to the video you want to upload. You get what I mean? So you don't want to upload a picture that has nothing to do with the video you've done or the video you've created that you want to upload. So one more thing is, try as much as possible to make your thumbnail very, very catchy, just so that when your videos pop up on people's screen, they would have no choice but to watch your video. So we're just going to pick one of the templates and work with it. Okay, let's pick this one. So we're going to work with this. You tap on the picture, and then when you tap on the picture, you see replace. Just look downwards, you see where it's saying replace. You replace the picture, so it brings you to your camera. Then you upload the picture you've taken before, trying to design your thumbnail. So then when you upload the picture, you go to remove background. Just follow the steps that I'm showing you. So when you click on remove background, it's going to remove the background from the picture, and this is what you'd have. So now you can, drag the picture, resize it to any shape you want. You can make it bolder or smaller, just to give you what you're looking for. And so you can click on the text to change the text in the template. You see where it's saying bring the heat. You click on it and it will give you the option to change the text. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. So click on the text and then it will give you the option to change the text. Yeah, so let's type in jollof rice. Yeah, so jollof rice. Then after you're done typing, just tap outside, anywhere outside the box. Then you have this. Again, you tap on the smaller text just to edit it, to type in your preferred text. So we can just say jollof or spicy jollof rice, just something related to the other text that we've written. Let's say spicy jollof rice. Yeah. So that's it basically. It's a very, very straightforward process. And the next thing now is for you to save. And your thumbnail is done. Very easy. So, and in case you feel like, this design did not give you what you want, like you feel like it's not catchy enough, you can just go back to your home page. And in the search bar, you can type in, for example, YouTube thumbnail for food vlog. Yeah. So yeah, there you go. So let's just pick something real quick because I don't want this video to be too long. So we're going to use this now. Now tap on the picture again and then go down. You see where it says replace. So when you click on replace, it brings you to your photos and then you can upload the picture you want. When you upload, like we did the last time, just tap on the picture to resize, adjust it the way you want. Then you tap on the text as well to put in your preferred text. So the original text was cook with me, but here we're going to, change it and add something like maybe fried rice, or we can still leave it at, cook with me since we're talking about cooking. Yeah, it's really hard to make up your mind on what you want to do. So yeah, so cook with me. And then that's it. You just save. So the good thing is when you save, it goes straight away to your photos. You don't need to, do any extra work to save it. And that's that. So you go back to your photos and double check that you have the thumbnails saved, just to be on the safe side.
Now, besties, let me know if you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, comment. Don't forget to subscribe if this is your first time. See you in my next video. Bye.